Today we're gonna be making a rod holder for the truck bed, the cheapest way possible. So I think having the rods, bounce on the truck bed like this and sticking out won't be good. And so I was thinking have them shoot straight up, but some of the rods are like 10, 12 feet surf rods, and I don't think that'd be good for going through a tunnel or going under trees. So we're gonna have them kind of like angled out like that. This is gonna be our materials for today. So the PVC is the only thing that I paid for, and everything else was kind of just free scrap wood that I had lying around. We're gonna be cutting each section to about 20 inches. I think this is the setup I'm going to do. So I'm going to do high, low, high, high, low, high. And that'll just kind of prevent if any reels are too big and they start getting in the way with the handle. So I'm just going to alternate it like that. Next, I'm going to use a drill bit right here. I think it's at 3/8. And we're just going to use these, I think maybe inch and a half screws. Need a longer head. Now for angle, I don't really know how I'm gonna measure this, but just something where it's not straight up, but it's got a good angle. And so that's probably 45. This one seems good right there. Let's do it on this. Shoo! And now we got a nice rod holder for 10 bucks. But if you were to buy it all by yourself, do it, 25 to 40. I'd say, depending on where you get wood and supplies. But yeah, I did it for 10, and you can do it for maximum 40.